Hi guys. So I basically just realized that I do not have an intro or outro for this video, but I still want to post it. So this is the intro. Basically, today I wanted to take some time to share. My glasses are slipping. Not that. Basically, I wanted to take some time today to share some of my most worn work from home outfits. I feel like we've been working from home for about a million days now, and yes, I think that is a very accurate number. And I basically wanted to show you what is it that I've been wearing the most, what are my most comfortable things. I know I share like my everyday outfits as much as I can on my Instagram, but I kind of wanted to do a video with all my favorites, and it also gave me a good chance to actually go and see what I enjoy wearing the most. So that is the video. I'm gonna let you get into it. Staple number one is joggers. Elastic waist, stripes on the side, and pockets. Okay, mine actually don't have pockets, but we aren't going anywhere, so who the hell really cares? These are actually great for wearing with t-shirts, shirts, kurtis, pretty much anything that you want to chuck on at the top. These work amazing. So honestly, I've just been living in these. 50% of quarantine was joggers. Staple 2 is the LBD, but a work from home edition. My LBD is basically a cross between a night suit and a little black dress that is appropriate for work. I throw these on when I literally cannot be bothered to think and just feel instantly put together. So it's a win for me. Staple 3 is plazzos. So I have these striped ones which are part of a set, but I have worn them with other pieces and they look just as good. Plazzos are basically one step up from PJs, which basically makes them work appropriate, but still firmly in the PJ category. Staple number 4, which is kurtis. Now I don't know if you guys do this as well, but I actually own a lot of kurtis that don't have slits on the sides, and I always just end up wearing them as a dress. I have worn this multiple times. The full sleeves actually makes it a little bit more professional in my opinion. I would wear pants if we were going outside, but we're not, so who the hell cares, right? You can absolutely wear this with a jacket now that it's becoming a little cooler, or throw on a shirt too, and it works just as well. Okay, next we have the A-line dress. This is just me sneaking in an extra dress in here. Basically, A-line is comfort, and that seems to be a trend. This watermelon dress has this beautiful print, and it also has the buttons, which are very interesting, which is a win in my book. I have actually incidentally worn this on holiday as well, and I every time I wear this I get compliments, and I've never actually worn this into the office. I would not wear this to the office unless it was like a theme day, but work from home works perfectly. All right, now we have a maxi dress. Clearly, wearing stuff that feels like night dresses is a theme here. This white maxi dress has been worn multiple times in multiple different ways. You can wear it with a jacket, wear it on its own, wear it with a shrug, even wear it with like a sari. I will admit, what I'm showing you right now is a very experimental drape, but you know what? It works. And with that, we're actually in my final category, which is a sari. My most worn sari has been this watermelon jamdani beauty by Parama Ghosh. It is dreamy, it just looks good every single time. It's a sari, I don't have anything bad to say. Alright, guys, so that was the video. It was actually quite surprising to me when I went back and I looked at what are the things that I reach for the most on my day to day. And well, clearly, comfort is a winner when it comes to my work from home outfits. I would love to know what you guys like to wear. So tell me in the comments. And also, this is a much shorter video than my normal ones, and it's something different. I don't know if you want me to do more of these. So tell me in the comments, because that's kind of the only way we can talk to each other right now, right? So I would love to know. And that's it from me. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.